Did you know that our gut bacteria can actually influence everything from our digestive symptoms to immunity, weight management, skin health, and even our mood? My name is Frida Fåk Hållenius, and I'm Associate Professor and a member of the Oriflame Scientific Advisory Board. I have a PhD in biology, and I'm Associate Professor in Molecular Nutrition at Lund University. Me and my research team, we study and optimize health effects of foods by mapping how the gut microbiome shifts in response to different dietary factors. The gut microbiota is the vast ecosystem of bacteria and other microorganisms that reside in our gut. The gut microbiome is made up of trillions of different bacteria, other microorganisms, and also their genetic material that reside in our gut. They help to digest and ferment food, and they are involved in many different functions, critical to our health and well-being. A probiotic is a good bacterium that is able to survive the passage through the gastrointestinal tract and populate the large intestine. And thereby it gives us a clinically validated health effect. A prebiotic is food for the beneficial probiotic bacteria in the gut, and so they stimulate the growth of these good bacteria. Prebiotic fibers are found in foods that we consume, such as inulin and fructooligosaccharides, or FOS for short. And you find these in chicory roots, sugar beets, artichoke, garlic, leeks, onions, and also bananas. Gut bacteria interact with us in many different ways, including through our immune system. They secrete beneficial compounds that are taken up by the gut, and they are circulated around the body. So this means that bacteria can affect not only our gut and digestive health, but also other organs in the body. So that includes also the brain and the skin. So we're starting to see now that bacteria in our gut microbiome can affect our mental health, emotions, and sleep. So we really need to view the gut microbiome as something that is vital to our entire holistic health. A balanced gut microbiome has a wide diversity of good bacteria and microbes and enables nutrient uptake. If there is an overgrowth of certain bad bacteria, your gut microbiome can become out of balance, and this is called gut dysbiosis. You may find then that you are less able to digest complex carbohydrates, such as fibers, and you might also experience gut discomfort, bloating and pain. You may even experience a leaky gut. That is a condition where the intestinal walls become weakened, and that allows for bacteria and toxins to enter the bloodstream, and that can also lead to low-grade systemic inflammation. You can improve your gut health by eating a variety of fruits and vegetables and whole grains, as these foods contain different fibers and also vitamins that help to feed the bacteria that are good for us. Physical activity also promotes a healthier gut microbiome profile. Yes, so I'm currently studying how bacteria in the gut affect Alzheimer's disease. We have seen that bacteria can actually impact the progression of Alzheimer's disease, at least in animal models. And we're studying now how this works also in humans. We try to develop foods that can stimulate the bacteria that are important for memory functions. I have also recently started a project where we will study mental health in children in relation to different dietary patterns and the gut microbiome in early life. The gut-skin axis is a very new concept, and the idea is that by eating a healthy diet, you can favor gut bacteria with, for example, anti-inflammatory properties, and that might also affect the skin. So using model system of a human gastrointestinal tract, we can test how different types of foods affect the immune system in the gut. And then we can test these immune factors in models of the skin. So in this way we can find food supplements that can actually improve the skin. Including scientifically validated probiotics, a wide variety of prebiotic fibers and fermented foods in your diet, you will support your skin and brain health. Phytonutrients such as polyphenols, they are found in plant and fruits, and research shows that these phytonutrients can have an anti-aging effect on the skin through their anti-inflammatory properties. And we see also that prebiotic fibers and phytonutrients stimulate good bacteria in the gut. So they may improve the skin and the brain both directly and indirectly via the gut microbiome. To support a healthy gut microbiome, it's good to think about your diet, exercise, sleep, and your stress levels, as all these factors influence your gut microbiome.